Alright, show us your new moves. Show us your moves. Go the other way.
Okay, Cameron. Cameron. Over here. Over here. Here we go. Right here. Alright. Alright. Right here. Cameron.
You just want to suck on your feet?
You just don't take commands very well.
Show us your moves. There you go. It's a big weekend. We got giggles. We got you rolling. Are you telling me about it? Are you getting too big too fast? Are you getting too big too fast? What's Daddy doing? Grab that toy.
Little ear girl.
Here. What if I come this way?
There you go.
Okay, come on. Show us your new moves. Show us your moves. Come on, show us your moves. Where's your moves? Hey, you. Hey, baby. Baby on the floor.
Get it. Get it.
Leave it on the ground. Come on, Cameron. Hey, you. Yeah?
Come on over.
All the cool kids are over here.
Somebody's been lying to you.
Come on, Cameron Kate. Hey, you. You gonna go that way? That's fine. Just show us your new move.
You sucker a thumb. It's time for a nap.
Nap. This video would be perfect if you would just top it off with your new move by rolling over. I'm about to give up.
Watch Bailey. Come over here. Jesse.
I'm about to give up.
Jesse, show Bailey. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. All right,
Good
Cameron,
job.
see
All
that?
right, Cameron, your turn.
Cameron's turn.
Come here, stinker.
Cameron's turn.
Gotta come this way. Come play with Mom.
Roll over. Yeah. Get it.
Come on, you little nut.
Cameron.
Come on, Cameron. Show us your new move.
She's like, on my own time.
I'll do it when I want to. There you go. that all we're gonna get?
Look, show baby rolling over. You see baby? Cameron.
Alright, we'll try again later, I guess. So we got about 5 minutes of nothing.
Here we go.
All right. 5 minutes later. Good job, Cameron. Almost 4 months old and rolled over.
Oh, rolling.
You gonna roll again?
Now what?
Good job, baby girl. Oh. You excited? Good job, baby. We're proud of you, Cameron.